This New Year's Eve, whether you're hosting a fancy schmancy party or just having a quiet night at home, you're probably looking for something that's a little special to serve. The good news is that we have a hot and creamy appetizer that is New Year's worthy, even though it requires only 4 ingredients. Here's what we do. We beat together some softened cream cheese with fresh chopped dill, a little lemon juice, and a generous amount of chunked up crab meat. As for the crab, that can be the real stuff, or if you're looking to save a bit, the imitation crab works just fine here. After this is well blended, we spoon this into a baking dish or into a couple smaller crocks. That way we can spread them around the house so everyone can get it. About a half hour before you're ready to serve it, pop it in the oven until it's heated through and the top gets a bit golden. Put these out with crackers and your favorite veggies, and it's a party. It's the ultimate hot and creamy appetizer that is downright addictive. Of course, the recipe for this Dilly Crab Dip is online now just in time for you to start New Year's right. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where every day we're looking for a fancier way, without all the work, for you to say, ooh, it's so good.